everyone, welcome to my channel, and I want to share with you today a ephemera pack. It's the blue ephemera pack, and it's my newest one, so let me show you. It will be inside this doily envelope that I made, and for closure you will have a hand torn ribbon. And let me show you the pack first, then I'll show you the rest. So I use it to make the folder. I use it a vintage music booklet, and I reinforce it with washi tape and decorate it with napkins. And inside you have two pockets, and there is a snippet I made using pieces of fabric, laces, and some scrap paper. Then there's a lot of journaling cards. They all have places for you to write in the back. And I use it a lot of images. They are ladies, beautiful ladies, birds, flowers, and I'm not sure where I got this image. The ladies, I know they are public domain image, but I'm not sure because I've been like saving them for a long time and saving them on files, so I'm not sure where I got them. Some of them I know they are mine. I collect vintage cards and postcards, so some of them I printed and some are from books, but the ladies, I can't remember where I got them. And this one is from a very old book that I have. This one is from one of my vintage postcards, and there's a lot of blue and roses, flowers, and I use it a lot of stitching for the cards and tags. Then I made this mini doily pocket with a little tag inside. Then there's this pouch I made with a journaling card. Then I made this. It's a I call it book page pocket, and I decorated with fabric, vintage lace, and some napkins. Then I made a notebook with doilies and pages, some tie-dye paper inside. Then on the other side there is a vellum pocket with some cards inside. I made this card, so beautiful, so pretty, and I put some lace in here, and inside there's two duck spots, and I made two little journaling cards with beautiful bird images, a lot of tie-dye papers and vintage music paper. And then another journaling card with image of a bird. This is from a book. This is also from another book. And some laces here. And there is an envelope. There is a piece of vintage lace. A little pouch here I made with bird images, laces, and another bird image here for the tag inside. There is another tag, larger tag with flower, butterfly, and another journaling card, larger one, a label, and this is tea-dyed paper, and this is inside. All of this will be inside the booklet, and then we'll also have some doilies. I'm including some doilies and also some vintage or antique, I guess, this one, book pages inside the pack. So this is my blue ephemera pack, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you. Bye.